I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
Yes, Gaga, yes! Yes!
Drop the knife! Why don't you come and get it? I said, drop the knife! Fuck you.
I'm not talking to you. And I'm just shut your f***ing mouth. I've had enough of you, you beast. Beast? Yeah.
Hey, dog, get some ice cream? Only a spoonful.
Disco girl, coming through. That girl is you. Don't come in! Don't come in!
What?
What does that say, Anaya?
What?
No!
What?
Wait, what's that? Is that a butterfly?
It's me.
Hey, you want some nuts? I'm deathly allergic. So like if I threw them at you, would that kill you? Yes.
Hey, Dad, look, I found this cat in the alleyway.
Oh yeah? That's the only pussy you're ever gonna get.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Do it! No! Make God! Your dreams please, no! Come true! No! Just no! Do it! No!
Wrist, 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 wrist. Wrist, 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 wrist.
I love you.
I love you.
I have a question.
She has a question? On my way to class with my lady love.
I mean, it's crazy.
What?
We finish each other's
Sandwiches.
No! I love you, but this is mine.
You ready?
Let's do it!
Come on, get up.
Can't, I'm dead.
No, you're not.
Anything for you, Beyonce?
We actually have the chip reader now.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, it's not gonna work with that kind of
Transaction completed.
But that place is haunted. Ghosts prey on fear. Just be confident.
I'm not scared! I am not a pussy!
I'm so tired of being here.
say something, I'm giving up on you.
Dude, I got you a friendship bracelet.
Nice! Put it on me.
And now you're going to die.
Yo, we gonna have some issues, Tree! We gonna have some issues!
Hey, what's it like being tall?
We'll show you.
So beautiful.
She wants to dance like Uma Thurman. Bury me till I confess.
How's the fishing?
Just wait, help me bring it in.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to sneeze.
Alright, say cheese. Oh, I'm vegan, so can't really. Oh my god. You know, soy. You know.
Can I borrow a pencil? Are you kidding? You want a pencil? I'll give you a pencil.
Dude, I called shotgun! Shit! You're gonna wake up Slinky!
Hey guys, just at a party with all my friends. Yeah, you too. Alright, that's it.
So y'all see this bed? It's soft. It's comfortable.
I'm about to lay down and stay down.
It's such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying. You know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying.
Dude, I thought you could do a kickflip.
I can. I did one this morning.
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking.
Are you okay? Yeah.
Fine, I'm running away then.
You ready to come back, Brent?
Yes.
My name is Dorian Ditson. I've worked here for about 6 years now. You know, I really do love working here. It's just, we all have a lot of laughs.
Fuck off, Janet. I'm not going to your fucking baby shower.
I definitely work in a cubicle, so I sit all day. So in order to get exercise, I just walk around the office like this sometimes, and I was getting a little tired of being called curry in a hurry.
Well, my name's James. I'm run accounting here. I believe in my God, the only God. Like working here. It's great.
Craig is my boss, and he's a piece of cock.
Craig's an asshole.
Oh, Craig is a cock shit.
I want to hit you in the face as hard as I can. I don't want to do that.